Hi guys, welcome to Workout Wednesdays. My name is Sarah Navarrete and I'm going to be taking you guys through one of my favorite exercises in my Pilates Reformer classes, the skaters. This is a great workout for the lower body. We're working on the outer thighs, the inner thighs, the glutes, and the low abs and pelvic floor. So, enjoy! We're starting standing. Take one foot on top of the wooden platform, other foot on top of the moving carriage. Shift your weight over to the outside edges of your feet and keep your tail and pelvis nice and neutral. Inhale, and on that exhale, draw in and lift up through the center of your body. You're pulling that carriage in, maintaining the weight on the outside edges of your feet. You're drawing that carriage in with your inner thighs, your glutes, and your pelvic floor. Reach those arms out to the side with your legs. Keep those shoulders down and grow taller as you draw that carriage in. Inhale, reach to the side. Exhale, draw in. Place your hands on your hips. Take a bend into your knees. Keep your tail low as you extend the leg that's on the carriage. Keep those abdominals really pulled up in towards your spine. Keep your neck and your back nice and long. Exhale, press through the carriage. Inhale, return. Rise up to your standing position. Draw your carriage all the way in.